Hello everyone, welcome to the third chapter of Office Excel course. In the previous chapters, we learned some skills at entering and processing data in Excel. After entering data, we can do some basic content layout adjustments to make the form clearer and more professional. In this section, I will show you how to adjust the layout of a form in Excel. The adjustments include adding serial numbers, adding borders, adding headline, set text alignment, and adjusting fonts. Now let's learn about them one by one. Normally, the first row of the form can be used to enter subheadings for each item type. After entering data in the form, adding serial numbers in the first column can make the contents of the form easier to view. For example, in this form of registration statistics, we can add a serial number in the first column. If the column is not wide enough to display the content, double-click the intersection between columns to adjust the width. Next, we can add some borders to the form. The border icon in Home section in the menu bar can help us achieve this. Select the area of the form and click the border icon. The borders will be applied to the selected cells. Also, we can set the border style in the Format Cell setting. Select the area, press Ctrl+1, click Border. You can adjust the border line style and color. Let's make the outer border slightly thicker than the inner border. Now we need to add a headline for the form. The headline is generally added above the subheadings. Firstly, we insert a row above the subheadings. In this row for headline, you can use Merge and Center function. Select the cells in the headline area and click Home, Merge and Center in the menu bar. Merge and Center can merge cells in one step and center the headline. Then enter the headline Registration Statistics of WPS Academy. Next, we need to set alignment of the text. We can align text left or right, center the text, and align text left and right at the same time. Like the headline, let's center the content in the form as well. Then we can adjust the font. You can adjust the font in Home section in the menu bar. We can use the Arial font type in size 12. The font size of the headline is often 20 or 24. The headline can also be emphasized in bold. You can adjust it as needed. After doing these adjustments, the form becomes much clearer.